Now this segment is going to be focusing on Dateadd. Now Dateadd, as you know, the name means it's got to add your name somewhere, either by characters or by integers. Now we have a few commands right here that I've turned into comments, and the first one says date adds the number of dates as the number of dates parts to the date, and date add is the date part, which you guys know is the selection of what you want to be extracted from a number and a date. Now in this section right here, this is the first one we're dealing with right here, and not to lose track of time, it says select, we made a text right here, plus date add the month by the month that we wanted, 4 months, January 1st, right, 1900. So we go down here and we make that active right there. We check that, command successful, we run it. Okay, it says line 4. Now what's the problem right here? It's we have an issue right here. And what is the issue? It says date add. Okay, date added, right? And what's the issue? It's a conversion failed when converting date or time from character string. Okay, let's try the month, right? It does from character string. Now that's interesting right there, because it says stake 1 line 4. It's a conversion failed when converting date and or time from character string. So now we have an issue right here. We have just one problem. I can't figure out what the problem is. It's mainly because the conversion failed when converting date time and or time from character string. Now let's solve our problem, this problem right here, by taking that away, taking this section away, and slapping this section right in here. Now you can clearly see that I'm saying it's the dates from this month, 4 months from the correct time. Maybe that would solve the problem. So we go and execute, but we're still having the same problem. Why is that? Because see, we have the depart, which is the month, we have the number, and we have get dates, which is the current system date right here. But it's saying that we have a problem with these right here. So maybe because we haven't worked on this text right here, right? Is this text right here is what is really the issue right here. You can clearly see it's really the issue right here. And for some reason, I don't know why, but we're still getting the same problem. So if we do take it away, and we run it and execute it, it gives us the date and time, right? Now it's saying that if we drop it back here, okay, you see, it gives us everything we need. Now, if we drop it back here, right? Now the month, the date added initially, this was what was added right here, right? 4 months prior to, what's 4 months? We're in February right now, so it added 4 months. That is, you can see 4 months was added. So we're in the second, it added 4 months on the same date. So that's what this does. But this was the text. So we say this is, now I think it's mainly because let's run it again. We're still gonna have the problem right here. Let me try something else and say month, physical month, right? Okay, and execute and run. We're still having the same problem. Why is this a problem? Because of just this area right here. Now, if we do take this out right here and say dates, run, and execute, we get this is, right? So plus, we drop that right there. Is it this is? It's supposed to, but it's saying that it can do it because converting the dates to this. So we have to add uh, a conversion in here to pull out the result that we wanted to get from here. So now let's move on to the next stuff because we already know that we have a problem right here. So we're just going to deactivate this by making it in the comments and go on to the next one. So time is running out. And it says select date add month one get date, right? You can clearly see that by executing this, this shows we added one to our current date, which is 03. Now we go back and say -3, right? And we run it, it goes to 2015. It subtracts 3 months from it. That is what Dateadd does. This adds and subtracts from the current month. Now we go to this that we have to use um, physical text. We activate it and we say run, execute. Oh, we have a problem right here. Now what's the problem? It says the conversion of the child character type in an out range. And this is right here. What it's talking about. We didn't see it in the first place and we do it again. Boom. This is what we got for the next one. Right? It's add 1 more month. When you add 1 more month, you actually get this. So this comes to a conclusion of the Dateadd. Now, the reason why I'm getting a problem right here will be discussed later on, and we'll figure that out. But we know it has to do with something about converting this so we can add this to make it simple. But yeah, this is what Dateadd does. It adds numbers of date parts to the date, right? And this is going to be very essential for coding. Thank you very much, and please comment and show your likes or dislikes about this video. Have a nice day.